KEMELO milwa myamwela mswele kubuhamazi umwangala Bulozi aului kumsakayona milu pataraza mwa toropo ya Mungu mwa Bulozi. Makande Mwa Silozi mwabalelwa kina nathana kufuna wa mundira. Halutalimeni falitohoza Makande. LISWANISO BASUSUEZA SICABA YETA wadi KUFA KEMELO kwa KOPANO ya UPND. SICABA KAPULANGA BAIKUPELA KUYAHELWA KAPATELA. Katengo ka AIPAC ka SUSUEZA LIKOPANO KUTOKOLOMOHA KUITUSISA LIPULELO ze SHANDAULA. Makande kakutala. Mwina spula wababanja mwana hakaufela ili mwa KOPANO ya United Party for National Development UPND wo Gilbert LISWANISO basuswelize SICABA sespira mwa YETA wadi ili mwa Mungu East Constituency mwa Bulozi kwekeza kufa KEMELO kwa KOPANO ya UPND sina mubakonezi kwezeza mulilimo zefelile kwambola kanako yene babile ni mkopano ni SICABA LISWANISO baize banani sepo ya kuli KOPANO yabona ikazo la pili kuikola KEMELO yetile mwadi ya YETA MIBAKUPELA SICABA kufa KEMELO kwa baipapati ba KOPANO ya UPND mwaliketsa zana mwingelele za selimo saunomoha.
The United Party for National Development, UPND, has intensified its campaigns in Western Province, with the party urging residents of YETA ward in Mungu East constituency to maintain their support ahead of the general elections. UPND National Youth Chairperson Gilbert LISWANISO has called on residents to continue backing the ruling party, saying he is confident that the UPND will once again receive overwhelming support from the ward. UPND Provincial Vice Chairperson has appealed to the people of YETA ward to rally behind all adopted UPND candidates. And some of the residents of YETA ward have expressed satisfaction with the campaigns, describing them as peaceful. They say they have not witnessed any incidents of electoral violence and have appealed to political players to maintain peace throughout the campaign period.
Ilketsalela fama 2026 la wohaka inde ichilema lona liruza maela hande akunama fuelu utwa batu ba kopana ka kutwano kusinami filifili lwa itumela ku HH
tumelo kuwaka inde ichilema president walona aliketsala 2026 lamunokwa nani kozo 2021 makoso walo kubona kulota kwa mali kwa watu kwa LIKOPANO kwani bona bapiefu basweza mikopano kile milifitsa tumelo kuwaka ende.
For Bulozi TV News, Celestina Mbewe, Mungu, Western Province.
SICABA babapila mwasibaka SAKAPULANGA mwawadi ya Kanyonyo ili mwasikritisa Mungu baikupezi KUYAHELWA KAPATELA mwasibaka sabona bakensa kuli batu babato kwali tusoza SPATELA seli babangata hulu. Kwambola kwa bihiba Makande bamaze mwangala Bulozi SICABA baize kachwale basepilefela SPATELA sa lewanika seo batolokele kuli sifumane hakwaole mibaize kuli basinyelwanga kimashelengi kuitusisa kwa linzira mimwe inelo ubabeya hulu mwabutata si hulu busihu nikanako yamatuku asipundu mukela amanani baima. SICABA se kachwale bafitsize nongosi yabona kwa maluko wa muso kubona kuli kwa asuri wa pene kwa mali a Constituency Development Fund yona CDF akakona kuyaha KAPATELA ili kuchimbula wino wa makete.
Health is wealth.
In Kapulanga area of Kanyonyo ward, residents are calling for a health post in their community. They say the only options available right now are Lewanika General Hospital and prison, both of which are far.
fakuli unanwe fa uye kwa prison kapa kwa lewanika namoni inezi nge na chwana hanina neba 20 ngwe mwandu nikakona kunanwa chwa niyo na kiziro tuka paki 24 hours niye kwa lewanika niye kwa prison hakukona hali.
The distance they add means higher transport costs and serious safety risks, especially at night and during emergencies.
Kuitwala zitokwa sipatela twala eva mwezi kwa uden sipatela mukanyanda kakuli kuna ninako ya kweza kulimwendi nako ye itokwa kule ona 4 mtu ananula isiwe kwa sipatela kono manefu kumkuyo ofumana kuli nilimota lisazama kona kuli limota za tulanga mwana ko yabutsiu
kono kuza mmesa waba kumuzusafa kumfitsa esi kwali wanika kwa ule kwali chweka nako mweza chwani mwabona apefo kumu transport busiu ukakwa kuli ki 100 kwacha ki 200 mwabona
Kapatela linza ulukwa bule niluna miape transport ya busiu itula maswe fakulu uzefela fa huye nike at least fa nike fire potife na fa bakwa kweza cost 100 kwa chiche kuzafa kuyaliwanika iko nakuba bukai 250 kwa alifarota kuzafa kuyaliwanika busiu.
The community is now appealing to the government and relevant authorities to construct a health post for them so they can access medical care closer to home.
Government ye muso Zambia ye ilutali mekwateni ilubone kwateni.
Njomanyasi Aminwe, Bulozi TV News, Mongu, Western Province.
Yaipapata kuyemela Mongu Central Constituency mwandu ya milao fa KOPANO ya United Party for National Development yona UPND kakuswani wo makai basepsize kusebeza mohoni SICABA KUITUSISA Ward Development Committees kufelisa matata ambe kilesi waka Mongu Central kwambora fatu kiso yevizwa the power fa Bulozi TV bomakai baizezolo pili haizule lifera kwa baitereri banosi kononi kwa SICABA bapila mwalilalanda mi bomakai baikerize kutalusa kuli pono yabona italima fakumbosha faza mayemo asilelezo mwasikiriti samungo kamulelo wakufelisa butata bwakuituisa miliani yekola kamafuasisa kubabancha kakubuisana nibashemba bona ni kukona kuba Kenya mwembeleko ili kuli batusehele fateni
sabuto kwa kikuli lutahelo to inisa na hande ne ba Mungu through established channels kuna ni ward development committees vazi bali tongoko za watu vazi bali matata watu for example kuna ndaba yakuli mikwakwa yona haiyo hande kya mashabati mitu mota tunyani atufita ndima mashabati kintu ezibande kuli kuna ndaba yabuke benga kuli mwendi unandi ma police post. If we can have a clean up of these junkies, have an activity for 1 or 2 or 3 weeks kwa kuli usihu na wakafela mapokola ni maneba udochi bapotola kubona kuli banana babaswaliwa habaswaliwa baswane kunatiwa habaswane kuba demonized. Let us find a place where we can keep all of them, then we identify family by family when azo kumanyi when azo kuma bashimba bona batahe batu identify bana babona kuliyoki mwana ka chale lutwe nisa na afasi ubone kuli problem muri yetu na kantikifi banana baba bakona kusha kwa skills training baisho kwa skills training bakona kusha kwa tennis baisho kwa tennis lufumane mukwa kubaeza reconstruct baba kona hala
katengo kakatali mafaliketsa muna Zambia kona ka Electoral Commission of Zambia ISUSUEZA kabukuswani kasusuweza LIKOPANO bahasanyi bamakande ni baboti kulatelela milao yeza maisaliketisa na Zambia ainze itukiseza liketisa zana mwingelele zala 13 muyana 2026 ili kutalusa kuli mutomo kisnotolo sestuna kwane kula kubukeleza kozo ni kubona kuli kwaba niliketsa zesepahala kwambora fatu kiso ya busile good morning breakfast show farmers mwangala abulozi sibuhabuhi wakatengo kaliketsa bo Patricia Luhanga baize mula waliketsa wa bumashumi amalalo ni buketalizoho wasile mosa 2016 ubonisa hande fokusweo kamoli KOPANO bahasanyi bamakande nilikwata zemu baswanezi kwezeza litukiso zabona Luhanga babulela kuli mutomo aulumelezi batu kuisupa kaminwana kapa kuitwa haka kamashendo mibaikeleze kuli skiriti sinani squata sabatu bao bafirwe mata kikatengo kutalima falipilelo ze amana ni kama iso yaliketisa.
It is supposed to be handled. All those issues you are raising are under conflict management. But most of the Electoral Code of Conduct does provide guidance to all stakeholders on how to conduct themselves. When you look at the Electoral Process Act, number 35 of 2016, it has the Code of Conduct that speaks to the duties, responsibilities of the Commission, political parties, media, and so on and so forth. And therein, the conduct itself is that if you are campaigning, no character assassination, no use of hate speech, you should not be using derogatory language, and so on and so forth. So if there is such an issue, it's still a conflict. And that is why each district has a conflict management committee. Such matters should be raised and forwarded to the conflict management committees to be able to handle those issues.
Luka Shumsa hainyani mi lukato Zurapili ni Makande.
Not long ago, many children in Zambia did not go to school because their parents could not afford it. Today, 2.5 million children are back in the classroom, sitting on desks and being fed nutritious meals under the school feeding program. Markets are now peaceful with no cadre violence. Clinics stand where there were none. We did that together. Across Zambia, people are saying the same thing. We're on the right path. We are moving forward. Not without struggle, but always forward. There's still much work ahead, jobs to create, futures to secure. And that's why Bali keeps working day after day. Because just as we delivered free education, we will keep delivering. For every child still waiting and every family still rising. Until progress is something every Zambian feels. We've started the change. Now let's finish the job. On the 13th of August 2026, vote for Hakainde Hichilema as President of the Republic of Zambia. And let us continue to move Zambia forward together.
In every celebration, there's a simple choice being made. To belong, count me in. In moments of love and promises for tomorrow, count me in. At the checkout line, in the middle of an ordinary day, a reminder that every number matters. Count me in. Across our communities, our streets, the same message finds us. Count me in. From the everyday worker to the hands shaping our future every day, the call is the same. Count me in. And around the traditions that bring us together, the message becomes impossible to ignore. Count me in.
This election season, your vote counts. Get your NRSC and voters card ready.
Count me in.
Did you know that you've got the right to complain against any radio or television broadcast? Did you also know that every radio or television station has an obligation to respond and address your complaints when aggrieved? The first step is to complain to the station not more than 3 months after the broadcast took place. It is expected that the station will respond reasonably to you, that is within 14 days. If not satisfied, then escalate your problem to the Independent Broadcasting Authority.
We're at Mass Media Complex, Ali King Carter Road, PO Box 32475, Lusaka, or call us on +260 211 250589 or visit our website at www.iba.org.zm. IBA, promoting ethical and professional broadcasting.
Na mwasimbuya ni lumeli kakola mukabatisane bashemba mina bapepirwe kale ina hazani anelizi nelina ni bangi bazona no bali kusamalena chole mwasimbuya sisolo batakutunda mina kachekule humu ka holofada emu shika impatata bayo sesa mabemba ngebe so asama tonga sebe nelikute kakuli haiba we noyo natamusala mutu kwa malao zamani muna hai kaliba kakukisimbuya kinito nayo vatili uyo chabwe wa mutu mwandu kisimbuya anaseo vatili.
Bulozi TV is the only commercial television station domiciled in Mangu of Western Province, Zambia, providing homegrown broadcasting. We are licensed by the Independent Broadcasting Authority (IBA) and carried by TopStar on DTT Channel 120. We are also on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, and WhatsApp channel. Our news is factual, balanced, and delivered on time in 3 languages: English, Simbunda, and Silozi. Our programs range from talk shows, entertainment shows, personality, cultural heritage, political shows, local drama and soaps, children's shows, community live broadcast, and many more. Call the station manager to advertise your business on 0975 210 218 or 0764 907 921. Or email us on bulozitv@gmail.com. We are situated in Buyuana compound off Kagrava Road in Mangu. Bulozi TV, the pride of Barotse.
Kibitomero mi lwaikeza ni tukso ya Makande Mwa Silozi. Katengo ka Action Institute for Policy Analysis Center AIPAC kasolize LIKOPANO zenga kabiro mariketsa za unomwaha za 13 muyana 2026 kubona ko liba fitsa kwa SICABA bwipapato wabunani maye mosakata kufita kusinyiza nako kwa KUITUSISA manzwi akashwao ni LIPULELO zenyembunyisa kwambola kwa biba Makande bamazi mwangala Bulozi mwatolopo ya Lusaka. Executive Director wa Katengoka wo Solomon Ngoma baize milelo ya KOPANO konanto yabutokwa kwa baboti kuli bakone kubani wiketelo wakuziba kuli kifi KOPANO yena anima ya mosakata akona kutsa zoropili yambuwa mi bongoma bazo zipili kuhupulisa SICABA koli mulawana ha Zambia wabalumereza kubotela bayemeli bandu ya milao ili bao baichemezi kwa kusinali KOPANO ni kukona kubotela hape mwetelele wanaha kuzolera mwa KOPANO mibafilema mela ya kuli baipapati baambuke kulianganisa SICABA kuamana niliswanelo zabona
umulumende ulungishe filimba na bamushile filimba cha kulungisha ndio mwinambu kukombola atila lishatumfwe efachilelila ambo kulisha olwimbo mundibile na makebi efe abanensu bayimine ukomuma no kumwipaya mukanyama na kufa abantu fo.
This has raised concerns from different people. Among them is the Action Institute for Policy Analysis Center (AIPAC), who has called on all political parties participating in the Zambia's 2026 general elections to place their manifestos at the center of their campaigns, saying voters deserve clear policy proposals rather than divisive political rhetoric.
A manifesto is the foundation of a party's vision and policies. It is what citizens should use to judge whether a party is serious about delivering meaningful change. During rallies and public meetings, parties should focus on sharing these ideas clearly, responsible, instead of making statements that may spread division, hatred, or hostility among citizens. The Constitution of Zambia is very clear. Citizens have the right to vote for an independent member of parliament and at the same time can vote for a presidential candidate from a political party. Zambia is a democratic republic and the people have the independent right to choose who they want to vote for. No one should attempt to stop them or mislead them about this right.
And Anti-Political Violence Association of Zambia also condemns the alleged killing of Nelson Chikumbi of Lusaka's John Leng area, describing the incident as a barbaric act of political violence, and called on the Zambia Police Service to investigate the matter and arrest those responsible.
We strongly condemn this barbaric act of violence, of taking a life because of political affiliations, music, and opinions. This is unacceptable and a threat to Zambia's democracy. We call upon the Zambian police to immediately institute investigations into the matter and arrest whoever was involved in the killing of Mr. Nelson Chikumbi without fear and favor. And justice must be seen.
Margaret Chota, Bulozi TV News in Lusaka.
Lufitile kwa mafelelezo atukso ya Makande Mwa Silozi kono lusika misiakale harutalimen hape faritoho za Makande. LISWANISO BASUSUEZA SICABA YETA wadi KUFA KEMELO kwa KOPANO ya UPND. SICABA SAKAPULANGA BAIKUPELA KUYAHELWA KAPATELA. Katengo ka AIPAC ka SUSUEZA LIKOPANO KUTOKOLOMOHA KUITUSISA LIPULELO ze SHANDAULA. Mwakona kubuhali tukisoza lona fa TopStar ili fampuito ya 120 mwali wakaze tatama. Mungu, Limulunga, Nalolo, Lusaka, Chongwe, Chilanga, Rufunsa, Kalabo, Nilikalolo za Senanga, Mane nilibaka zengwe zenzima bapa. Hama ochoro nifalike pela lona la Facebook, lona la Bulozi TV. Fapila abo manjenela bo ashbeo sibulwa kabi yanambalela Makande kina nathana kufuna omundela litumeze.
Sinanisa Nemu niwona chwana ni nani babona Nani wana la chwana ni nani babona Muniburae mukababona Muniburae mukababona Neni pulu mukachwana ni nani babona Neni liangana chwana ni nani babona Yeah Muniburae mukababona Malozi barokile situpusi batababo Malozi baize situpusi batawabo Unibulae yeah Unibulae yeah Neni pila chwanana Neni nada chwanana Neni kula chwana bona bateni kwa Neni nyangera mwatelongo alina za kuchana Neni pila chwana bona bateni kwa Yeah Yeah Nikabonara bunjewe kuminana Nikabonara kunyanda kuminana Kapa kutokwa kuminana Kapa kusina butokwa kuminana